Welcome to Mini Masters. Today, we're stepping into the wild and wondrous world of Merida, the brave princess with a fierce spirit and a heart full of courage. In the kingdom of Dunbrack, Merida, a skilled archer and the spirited daughter of King Fergus and Queen Eleanor, struggled with the expectations placed on her as a princess. While her mother wanted her to be a perfect lady, Merida wanted the freedom to make her own choices and live life on her own terms. One day, in an attempt to change her fate, Merida sought out a mysterious witch for help. She was given a spell to change her mother, but it didn't go as planned. The spell transformed Queen Eleanor into a bear. Horrified, Merida realized her mistake and went on a journey with her mother, facing challenges that helped them understand and appreciate each other in a whole new way. Through courage, love, and teamwork, Merida and her mother broke the spell. They came back stronger, with a deeper bond and newfound respect for each other's strengths. Merida's story reminds us that being brave means following your heart, but it also means learning to listen, love, and appreciate those closest to you. Thanks for joining us on Mini Masters. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring tales. Remember, sometimes bravery means embracing who you are and those you love. See you soon.